In this video, we will learn how to solve the 404 Not Found WordPress error. This error sometimes appears with different text, but eventually the solution is the same everywhere. This error mostly comes when you have just finished a WordPress migration. Sometimes you cannot log into this page, or sometimes to the post URL. We are going to solve it within a few clicks. Go back to the website and enter the WP admin page. Log in. Under the Settings option, click on Permalink. Choose your desired permalink structure, or you can stick with the current structure. I am choosing the post name structure. Then save changes. Let's refresh the page. It's working fine. Also, cross-check it in an incognito tab. The error is now solved, surely. This is the video on how to resolve the 404 Not Found WordPress error. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Also, like this video. Thank you.